Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word lasses. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The lasses gathered at the park for a picnic on a sunny afternoon. In this context, lasses refers to young girls or women. It is a colloquial term often used in Scottish or Northern English dialects to refer to female individuals. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.